The Varun C26-2 electric bike is a stylish and reliable city commuter designed for adults who value comfort, practicality, and performance. With its elegant step-through frame, ergonomic geometry, and powerful motor system, it blends modern e-bike technology with timeless riding comfort, making it perfect for urban travel, leisure rides, and daily commutes. Built with a 26-inch frame and a double-bar structure, the C26-2 offers superior stability and strength, supporting a high load capacity without compromising aesthetics. Its ergonomic curved handlebars and adjustable seat and handlebar height allow riders of various heights to find their ideal position for comfort and control. The smooth lines and balanced proportions make it not just a practical commuter bike, but also a stylish statement for city riders. Powered by a 250W high-speed brushless motor with 55 Newton-meters of torque, the Varun C26-2 delivers smooth acceleration and effortless cruising through busy streets or gentle inclines. Its 48V 7.8AH removable lithium-ion battery provides a range of 40 to 80 kilometers per charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. Recharging is convenient and quick. The battery reaches full capacity in just 4 to 6 hours, letting you get back on the road without long waiting times. The integrated intelligent LCD display keeps you fully informed on every ride. It clearly shows essential data such as speed, distance, power level, and battery status, while allowing easy adjustments to riding modes. With a few simple touches, you can monitor your performance and tailor the bike's assistance to your needs for a more personalized experience. For reliable visibility during day or night rides, the C26-2 is equipped with front and rear lights compliant with SDVZO certification, ensuring safe illumination even in low-light conditions. A durable rear rack with a 50 kilograms load capacity adds to its practicality, allowing you to carry groceries, bags, or gear, ideal for errands, commuting, or casual trips around town. The 7-speed Shimano transmission system ensures effortless gear transitions, letting you adapt to various terrains or traffic conditions. Combined with front and rear disc brakes, the bike provides precise stopping power within seconds, guaranteeing enhanced safety and control even on wet or uneven roads. The Varun C26-2 is crafted to deliver a smooth, quiet, and comfortable experience for everyday use. Whether you're riding to work, enjoying a weekend cruise, or exploring your city, this e-bike combines efficiency, safety, and elegance in one beautifully engineered package, making every journey more enjoyable and effortless.